This channel has got over 2 million subscribers with only 93 videos, making thousands of dollars every month with these simple cat videos which are going viral. But trust me, the method I'm going to reveal is one of the easiest ways to make passive income on streaming platforms like YouTube without showing your face. I will also reveal how to monetize your page with your first videos until you get partnership with YouTube. And with these 3 simple steps, we are going to create something incredible. So step 1. We need a story we can tell with these animal videos. But no need to rack your brain trying to craft a story. ChatGPT is going to do the amazing job. All you have to do is to choose the animal you want to talk about. So in this case, I chose cat. Then I asked it to write short emotional story of a little cat with a larger cat that happens to be the mother, showing how the little cat lost and later came back home. And ChatGPT gave me this response, which is a bit long. Then I asked it to shorten the story. And right now we have a perfect story for our video. Now step 2. We need to create the images for the video, but we can't do that without a perfect image prompt. And the easiest way to get this prompt is to go to your browser and search, for instance, Crying Cat AI. Since we want the story to be emotional, then just download any of these images. You are going to use it as a prototype for other images. Now the next thing to do is to open a new chat on ChatGPT, click on this icon, select and upload the image we just downloaded. Then copy this prompt guide from the description below. It has all the presets you can use to get similar results. And after that, ChatGPT gave me these 5 image prompts. So you need to copy these prompts and paste them on your Google Notes. You can choose to rename the file. Now the next thing to do is to go ahead and create these images using Leonardo AI. The link in the description will help you sign up for free. And once you get here, you're going to click on image creation. Now right here, you click on settings. Click on more. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is best for shots. Then copy your first prompts, paste it on this place, and click on create. Alright, now the first images are ready. Just go ahead and download 1 or 2 of them. Now copy the second prompt, replace the first one. Then click on this place, copy seeds. Now on the sidebar, click on advanced settings and paste the seed number on this box. This will help us create consistent images using the seed number. And after that, you can click on create. Repeat the process for other image prompts. Just copy, paste here, then click on create. Now the very last step is editing, and you can use any editing software or application. And right here, you need to import all the images accordingly. Click on duration. Adjust the duration to 3.5 seconds. Click here to apply to other images. Now let's add transitions. Click on this place. Select zoom in transition. Then check this button to apply to other images. Now click on effects, select effects. Then click on shake and select cam shake. Reduce the value, then drag it to fill the entire timeline. Now click on the filter, then increase the warmth. And to ensure high resolution of our video, you're going to increase the sharpening as well. And one more tip to go viral is to use viral sounds. When you go to YouTube or Instagram, find any viral sounds that match your video. Copy the URL, download and use it in your videos. But before I show you the final results, one of the best ways to monetize your new page is to join affiliate programs or leave a link to a particular product on your channel. But don't forget, in order to get massive results, you should not joke with quality and consistency. See you in my next video.